First five. To all players, tap in. First five. Rally. Boy. Rally boy. Okay. Jump ball. CY17 ball. Ang taas ng pasa, outside. Keep roll team ball. Inbound. Number 21, pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble. Pass outside again. CY17 ball. Number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 2. Back to number 6. Pass to number 25. Back to number 6. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pass number 25. Number 25. Oh, what a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 2, first personal foul. First team foul. Inbound, number 2, pass number 6. Martinez, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Number 42. No good. Nakakuha ng Tiburon team ang bola. Pass to number 6. Pass break to number 18. Marquez. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 2. Bayot. Binigay kay number 6 again. Jump shot. 3 points. Inbound. Number 23. Pass to number 6. Number 6 Martinez. Pinaba ng bola. Itinasa kay number 25. Outside. Same. Ball. Outside the rain begins. Pass to number 23. Haller. Binigay kay number 42. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 21. First personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound number 23. Haller. Jaller. Pinasa kay number 42, pass number 25, binigay kay number 6, Martinez. 8 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 18, binigay kay number 6, back to number 18. Number 18, fake shot. Number 18, dribble the ball. Pass number 21, Tiyama. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 6, pass break to number 23, Jaller. Jaller. Inangat. No good. Nakuha ni number 18 ang bola. Number 18, pinaba na ang bola. Number 18, ipinasa kay number 21, Tiyama. Pass to number 2, Bayot, no good. Nakuha ni number 25, pass break to number 2. Outside, Tiburon team ball. Inbound, number 18, pass to number 2. Number 2, binababa na ang bola. Number 2, Bayot, pass to number 6. Binigay kay number 18, Marquez, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 21. Jump shot. No good again. Rebound by number 23. This kill by number 6. No good. Number 6 again. No good again. Number 6 again. For 2 points. Kala ko mag-i-scatter na. Number 6, Martinez. Binaba ang bola. Ibinasa kay number 2, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 2 ng Tiburon team, Bayot. Bayot. Pinasa kay number 18 outside. The rain began and it's just you and me. Look right over. Number 6 Martinez, pinababa ang bola. Ipinasa kay number 42. Back to number 6. Jump shot. No good. Ako ni number 6 ng Tiburon team. Ipinasa kay number 2. Number 2, Bayot. Jump shot. No good. Ako ni number 6 ng CY17. Pass break to number outside. Same ball. CY7. Team ball. Solution rep. Inbound number 23, pass number 6, back to number 23. Jalur jump shot. Rep, 2 points. 3 points for 3 points. Number 2, pass number 23, back. Pass number 21, jump shot. No good. One number. One on foul. Number 25. Pushing foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution run. Tuck in. All players tuck in. Here's the foul throw. 1 point. Last one shot to foul throw. No good. Rebound by number 6. Wobbling violation. Timeout. Back to the ball game. Inbound. Inbound number 26. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pinababa na ang bola. Banta. Ipinasa kay number 17. Back to number 15. Pass to number 6. Martinez back to number 15. Pitch shot. Ipinasa. Nakuha ni number 15 again. Troubling violation. Tiburon team ball. Inbound number 21, number 23, pass number 2 back to number 23. Number 23, pass to number 3. Pinasa kay number 21, Tiama. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 17 ang bola ng CY7. Number 17, pinasa kay number 25. Sumama sa ring. Lifting. Tawag na natin yung referee. CY17 ball. Inbound number 17. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 15. Banta. Binigay kay number 6. Martinez. Sumalaksak. Pinasa kay number 26. Padilla. No good. Ang tira is back. Nakuha ni number 17 ng CY7. Foul. Number 6. First personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound number 17. Pass to number 15. number 15, pass to number 6. Back to number 15, pass to number 17. Pinasa kay number 26, Padilla. Pinilik kay number 15. 2 to shoot. Jump shot for 2 points. Number 25 for 2 points. Number 23, Baranda. Hanap ng papasahan na ipinasa kay Bayot ang bola. Bayot, luto the ball. Pinasa ulit kay Baranda ang bola. Ready, nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 26, Padilla. First personal foul, second team foul. Is brought to you by Robas. 1 point mula sa tirang Paltro. Last 1 shot to Paltro. Pag pumasok yan, boss. Last 1 shot to Paltro. No good. Nakuha ni number 26, pass to number 15. Number 15, Banta. Ang bilis ni Banta. Nakuha niya pa rin ang bola. Ipinasa kay Padilla ang bola. Nakuha ni number 6 ng Tiburon team. Inangat, no good. Nakuha ni number 25, pass to number 15. CY17, Martinez. Number 6, sinira na, no good. Rebound by number 23, Baranda. Yan na, foul! Substitution rep. Number 15, Banta. First personal foul. Third team foul. Tiburon team ball. Inbound number 23, Baranda. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 3. Pinasa kay number 21, Tiama. Itinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 23 ang bola. Jalor, pass to number 3. Binigay kay number 17. Number 17. Yan, tinira. 2 points. Mahusay sa ilalim. Number 7. Foul. Number 17. Substitution rep. Number 17, first personal foul. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. Inbound. Number 7. Pass to number 3. Back to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 23. Baranda. Binigilik kay number 3. Torres. Pay shot. Pay shot again. Jump shot. No good. Pinasa kay Banta ang bola. Banta, number 15. Pinasa kay number 17. Pay shot. Pinasa kay number 15 again. Banta. Nalaksak. Awan ni number 17 ang bola. Ng CY17. 8 to shoot. Martinez, jump shot. 4-3. Time out. Inbound number 26, pass to number 7. Number 7, binababa ang bola. Nakakuha ng foul. Again, number 17. Second personal foul. Penalty. Substitution rep. Yes, 7. 90.7. Laurel. No good. Last one. Last na ba? Last one shot. Last one shot. No good again. Rebound by number 23. Jalur, pass number 15. Number 15, Banta. Binabang ng bola. Number 15, dribble the ball. Pass to number 2, jump shot. No good. What number 23 ang bola, Jalur. Jump shot, no good. Now numbers 8 ang bola, pinasa kay number 21, Tiama. Diniretso na, traveling violation.
Ang traveling violation kapag sumobra sa tatlo.
Inbound number 26. Pass to number 20, number 15. Number 15, binaba ang bola. Banta, dribble the ball. Pass to number 26, Padilla, back to number 15, Banta. Turn to shot. Number 23, pay shot. Pinasa kay number 2, jump shot. No good. Number 25, no good again. Tapos yung bola, nakuha ni number, ayun. Now, outside. CY17 ball. Inbound number 15, pass to number 26, Padilla. Padilla, dribble the ball. Pass to number 2, back to number 26, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 23 ang bola. Jalur, remaining time, last 40 seconds. Foul. Who's foul? Number 25. And there, 26. Number 26. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. No good. That's one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Nakuha ni number 7, pass to number 23, Baranda. Diniretso na. Number 15, pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Number 2, back to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. Pass to number 23, Jeller. No good. Rebound by number 23, Baranda. 15 seconds. Pass to number 8, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 23, Tiama. Dribble the ball. Tinira na yun. Now, one number 25. Three. Ow! Foul! Number 26 again. Boss. The Cruz. Second personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time is 2 minutes and 2 shots left. The score 10-9 in favor of CY17. 1 point. Last one shot to Paltrow. 1 point again. Score. 12-9 beyond of the first quarter. Yan. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound, number 7, to the wrong team. Pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Bayot, pass to number 7, pass to number 6, binigay kay number 18, binira for 2 points. Inbound, number 23, pass to number 2, number 2, pass to number 15. Number 15, kinabahan ang bola. Number 15, dribble the ball. Number 15, pass to number 23, Jalor, tinira na. No good. Rebound by number 21, Biama, pass to number 2. Number 2, Bayot, kinabahan ang bola. Still by number 15, pass break to number 23, Jalor, for 2 points. Inbound, number 2, pass to number 7. Number 7, binababa ang bola. Papilio, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18, Marquez. Marquez, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 26, pass to number 15. Number 15, Banta, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 18, Marquez ng Tiburon team. Number 18, nabitaw na ang bola. Now on number 2, ng CY17, pass to number 26, Padilla, for 2 points. Rebound number 2, pass to number 7, Papilio. Papilio, pass to number 21, Tiama. Binigay kay number 6 ang bola. Foul by number 23, Jalor. Ng first personal foul, first team foul. Inbound, number 7, Pavilio, pass to number 2, Bayot. Bayot, pass to number 21, Tiama, jump shot, for 2! Inbound, number 9, pass to number 2, pass to number 15. Number 15, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 2, jump shot. No good. Natapik ang bola, nakuha ni number 23 pa rin. Jalor, pass to number 15 again. Pass to number 2, jump shot. For 2 points. Inbound, number 7, Pavilio. Pass to number 2, Bayot, back to number 7. Number 7, going down. Pavilio, oh, outside. CY7, clean ball. Substitution rep. Inbound, number 26, Padilla. Pasok po, sir. Substitution rep. Inbound, number 26, pass number 15. Kala ko kasali si Kuya. Number 15, Banta, dribble the ball. Pass to number 2, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 6. Still, pero nakuha pa rin ni number 18 ang bola. Marquez ng Tiburon team. Umikot ang nakuha ng robbery violation. CY17 ball. Inbound. Number 26. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, binaba ng bola. Ipinasa ka number 2, back to number 6, Martinez, pass to number 15, binigay ka na number 26, Padilla, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 6 ang bola. Number 6, Jerus. Binaba ng bola. Jerus, number 6, pass to number 18, Marquez. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. For 2. Rebound number 6, pass to number 15, back to number 6, Martinez. Binaba ng bola. Pass number 2, Martinez. Binigay ka number 26, Padilla. Oh! Traveling violation! Bago. Inbound, number 21, pass number 2, Bayot. Bayot, dribble the ball. Pass to number 3, number 6, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 26 ang bola. Pass break. Still with number 2, Bayot. Bayot pass to number 21. Oh, outside. Same ball.
Ito yung isa, oh. Kuya, basa ba yan? Wala raw.
Okay, inbound, number 26. Ayun. No good. Tira ni. Pass break. Outside. Ang bilis ni Banta. Halos sabay lang sila ng boss. Number 18, pass to number 2. Number 2. Nakababa na ang bola. Bayot, dribble the ball. Yun, number 6. Foul! Counted! Use foul rep. Number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul. Subdivision rep. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 18-19 in favor of Tiburon team na. Lamang po ng isa. Yushet. Foul. Watch shot.
All counted nga pala.
Number 17. Pass to number 15. Banta. 4-2. Inbound number 2, pass number 26 back to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Pass to number 21. Number 21, Tiama. Pass to number 26. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 9, pass to number 17. Number 17, binaba na ang bola. Number 17, pass to number 15. Number 15, jump shot. No good. Ang tirang span. Wali number 26 ang bola ng Tiburon team. Pinasa kay number 2. Bayot, pass to number 21. Number 21, sinumalaksak. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul. Number 6, Martinez. First personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Wala na yellow. Hindi pa matigas.
No good. Lost one shot.
Guabaris PH here.
Ayan. 1 point. Substitution rep. Substitution rep.
Nakakuha ka ng backer mo, rep ha.
Rep. And down. Number 17. Pass to number 6. Number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 2, Martinez. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 17, Tinira. No good again. Nakuha ni number 26 ang bola ng Tiburon team. Pinasa ka number 2, Bayot. Bayot. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 23. Number 23, Baranda. 10 to shoot. Number 21, Tiama. No good. Ang tirang step. Out of out. Number 22. First personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time, last 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Score all 20 in favor of both teams. Number 2, pass to number 17. Number 17, no good. Ako, pinasa kay number 2, magpili, jump shot. No good. Number 23, nabitawan ng bola. Tiburon team ball. Inbound. Inbound, number 26, pass number 2. Number 2, Bayot. Inaba na ang bola. Yan, shoutout nga po pala kay Kuya Kim. Andiyan pala siya. Number 23, Jan. Oh. Foul. Number 23. second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Substitution, ref. Okay, inbound, number 22. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Look at the ball. He's still better outside. Keep a roll, team ball. Inbound, number 3, Torres. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Back to number 3. Number 3 is Malaksak. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Pinabang na ang bola. Martinez, Malaksak. Diniretso na for 2 points. Inbound number 2. Pass to number 23, Baranda. Pinababa ang bola. Pinasa kay number 3, Torres. Torres. Shot. Still by number 26, Padilla. Libre for 2 points. Padilla, 2 points. Timeout. Team. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound, number 32, pass to number 3, Torres. Torres, pinaba ng bola. Ipinasa kay number 2, Bayot. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Score 24-20 in favor of CY17. Number 17 is scored by number 23, Baranda. Baranda, ipinasa kay Tiama. Number 21, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 17, pass number 6, pass number 26. Padilla, jump shot. Foul. Number 3, 22. 23. First personal foul, second team foul. 1 point. Plus 1 shot. No good. Rebound by number 31, Tiama. Pass to number 3, Torres. Torres, dribble the ball. Number 3, jump shot. For 2 points. Yakalain. Number 26, Padilla. Pinaba ng bola. Padilla, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 21, Tiama. Pass number 2. Number 2, that's 50 seconds. Bayot. Number 2, Bayot. Pass to number 3, Torres. Pass to number 23, Baranda for 2. Last 48 seconds. Number 6, Martinez. Binaba na ang bola. Number 25 seconds. Number 6, Martinez. 6 to shoot. Martinez jump shot. No good. Nakuha number 17 ang bola. Shot leg violation. Last 15 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Yan. Number 3, Torres. Pinabahan ang bola. 10 seconds. Oh. Torres, pangasa kay number 21, Tiama jump shot, no good! The end of the second quarter!
Okay. Sino ang dalawang refereeing ito? Ayan.
Back to the ball game na tayo. Okay, inbound, number 15.
Excuse me?
Pass to number 25, jump shot. Nakuha pa rin ni number 15 ang bola, banta. Pinasa kay number 26, Padilla, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 2, Bayot. Bayot, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 23, nakakuha ni banta. No CY7 team. Pass to number 17, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 22, pass to number 2, pass to number 23, Baranda. Baranda, pass to number 6. Binalik kay Baranda ang bola. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni Nabanta ang bola. Number 15, pass break to number 17, outside. Tiburon Timbo. Inbound, number 23. Pass to number 2, back to number 23. Number 23, Baranda. Binaba ng bola. Yan. Nakay Baranda pa rin. Ibinasa kay number 22. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 6, jump shot. Foul, counted. Foul counted. Number 26. Second personal foul, first team foul. Substitution rep. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Substitution ref.
Okay, one shot to bounce roll.
Yeah.
Jump shot. 1 point. Inbound, number 25, pass to number 15. Number 15, banta. Binaba na ang bola. Number 15, dribble the ball. Pass to number 17. Oh, anong tawag? Tiburon.
Jump? Oo nga, Tiburon Timbol.
Tiburon Timbo. Substitution rep.
Hindi ko.
Okay. Inbound. Ayan, binubulungan po ng referee kung ano gagawin. Inbound, number 23, pass to number 7. Pabilo, back to number 23. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Dribble the ball. Bayot, number 2. Ipinasa kay number 7, Pabilo sa malaksak. Itinira sa ilalim, no good. Rebound to number 23. Baranda, no good again. Nakuha ni number 2, pass to number 17. Tome, ipinasa kay number 15. Banta for 2 points. Inbound, run. Same ball. Tiburon team. Inbound, number 7, Pabilo. Ipinasa kay number 2, Bayot, pass to number 8. Number 8. Naghanap na papasa, nakita ko si Pabilo. Pabilo. Binaba na ang bola. Foul. Number 2. First personal foul. Second team foul. Foul. Inbound. Number 23. Baranda. Pass to number 7, Pabilo. Pabilo, dribble the ball. Ibinasa kay number 23. Oh! Good! Number 23, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 8. Jump shot again. No good. Number 6. For 2! Aray ko po. For 2 points. Number 13, Padilla tuloy. Banta. Pass to number 17. Number 17, pass to number 2. Jump shot. For 2 points. Inbound. Number 23, pass to number 2. Back to number 23. Number 23 is killed by number 17. Tome, pinasa kay number 15. Dinabutan kaya outside.
Time out.
Time out! Third quarter pa lang, ang ganda ng laban na. Inbound! Inbound, number 7, pass to number 2, Bayot. Pass to number 7, Pavillo. Napitawan ng bola. Oh, foul! Number 7, Pavillo, first personal foul, first team foul. Ang talas ng mata ng ating referee. Inbound, number 2, pass to number 15. Pass to number 26, back to number 15. Banta, binilik-ilik ng number 2 ang bola, jump shot. No good. Rebound. Yun, nakuha ni number 8 ang bola, pinasa kay number 2, Bayot. Pinababa ang bola. Bayot, pinasa kay number 23, Baranda. No good. Rebound by number 6, Jerus. Pass to number 23, time to shoot. Number 23, pass to number 2, Bayot. Natabi ang bola, still by number, nakakuha ng foul. Number 2, Bayot. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Bayot, second personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Score, all 21 in favor of both teams. Number 15, Banta, dribble the ball. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 25. Number 25, pass to number 17. Tome! No good! Ang tira ni Spot. Number 17, number 7, Padilla, pass to number 2. Number 2, Bayot. Yan, dribble the ball. Pass to number 23, Baranda. Number 23, Sumalaksak. Nilayap for 2 points. Inbound, number 25, pass number 2. Pass number 15. Number 15, Banta. Binaba na ang bola. Banta, dribble the ball. Nakakuha ng foul, who's the rep? Number 7. Substitution rep. Substitution.
Ayan, substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Okay. Foul throw.
No good.
Lost one shot to foul throw. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. 1 point. He scored 33-32 in favor of Tiburon team. Pavillo, pass to number 26. Number 26, pass to number 6, Jerus, binigay kay number 7 ang bola, Pavillo. Ipinasa kay number 26, De Cruz, jump shot, 42! Mark Kagiwa. Number 6, Martinez, pass to number 2, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 26 ang bola. Number 26, dribble. Naghanap ng papasahan. Nakita si number 7, Pavillo. 8 seconds. Violation. ating referee. Okay, inbound. Inbound number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 15, Banta. Banta, dribble the ball. Ipinasa, 8 to shoot. Pinasa kay Martinez ang bola, pick shot. Number 26, Padilla, jump shot for 2 points. Inbound. Number 21, pass to number 7, Pabillo. Pabillo, binabala ang bola. Pabillo, dribble the ball. Nakakuha ni number 6 ang bola, Jeros. Dribble the ball. Sinalaksa, oh, nakakuha ng foul. Counted. Not counted. Not counted. Who's foul? Not counted. Maliwanag naman. Who's foul rep? Number 15. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound, number 26, De Cruz. Pass to number 8, jump shot for 2. Inbound, number 23, Chandler. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Pass break to number 2, jump shot, very good. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola, Pabillo. Pabillo, dribble the ball. Binaba na ang bola. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 37-34 in favor of Tiburon Camp. Pabillo, down to shoot. Tiama, sinalaksak. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 23, Jalor. Jalor, binaba na ang bola. Ipinasa kay Stole by number 26, De Cruz. De Cruz, pass to number 8. Ay, number 6, no good. Nakuha ni number 8, jump shot for 2 points. Martinez pass to break to number 15. Number 15, Banta. Itinira for 2 points. Inbound, number 7, Pabillo. Pass to Stole by number 23, Jalor. Offensive foul. Offensive foul number 2. Second personal foul. Pasok lang po. Ang gustong pumasok. Substitution. Inbound number 7, Pabillo. Pass to number 23. Back to number 7. Manila Pabillo. Number 23, Barandas. Binalik kay number 7, time to shoot. Back to number 23. Oh, to Robin violation. Time down. Time 0-7. Okay, inbound. Oo nga. Papiviewing daw po kay Kuya Kim. Number 15, binaba ng bola. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, binigay kay number 23, Chalor, jump shot. 43 points. Inbound, pinasa ka number 3, pass to number 23, Baranda. Baranda, binaba ng bola. Baranda, pass to number 3, Torres, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 21, jump shot, no. For 2. No good. For 2 points. Martinez, binaba ng bola. Martinez dribble the ball. Remaining time, that's 1 minute. 1 minute. Jeller, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 23 ang bola. Niyakap. At nabitawan, nakuha ni number 2, pass ulit kay number 23, Baranda. Oh! 8 seconds, violation! Okay. Remaining time, last 46 seconds. Inbound, number 6, Martinez, pass to number 15. Banta, dribble the ball. Banta, back to number 6, to Ricochet. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 3, oh! Foul! Huli ka, Balbon. Number 23. Number 23. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty. Inbound. Number 3. Torres. Pass to number 2. Back to number 3. Number 3. Nababa ang bola. Ipinasa kay number 21, Viama. Pinasa kay number 6, Jeros. No good. Outside serve ball. Remaining time, last 21 seconds. Score 41-39 in favor of Tiburon team. Inbound number 6, Jeris. Pass to number 23. Oh, same. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Inbound number 26. Ipinasa kay number 2. Bayan, no good. Foul number 6. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Both team. Warning pa lang, boss. Okay, both team, warning. Inbound number 15. Pass to number 6, Martinez. 10 seconds. Pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 23, Geller. Geller, jump shot. No good. Okay. Yeah. Under ear. Okay, back to the ball game. Tama. Sa lahat po ng nandirito, kanina po yung NMAX na nasa basurahan po. Napakayaman niyo po, tinapon niyo po yung hindi. Kanino po yun? Natatabunan daw po ng basura. Ate, sa'yo ba yun? Kanina raw po yung NMAX na nandun sa basurahan, natatabunan na raw po ng basura. Yung susi na lang daw po ang inaantay para lalong matabunan sa'yo yung... Inbound number 6, Pass to number 17, Tome. Ipinasa kay number 26, back to number 17, Tome. Pinasa ulit kay number 6, pass to number 23, Haller. Jalur, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number outside, same ball. Okay, inbound. Number 17, pass to number 6. Pass to number 26, jump shot. 4-2. Number 2, Bayot. Binaba na ang bola. Bayot, pass to number 7, Pabulyo. Ibinalik kay Bayot ang bola. Jump shot. Bumawi. For 2 points. Number 6, Martinez. Binaba na ang bola. Martinez, dribble the ball. Pass to number 26, back to number 6. Pass to number 23, Jalur. Sulaksak, inangat. No good. Follow up ni number 25, no good. Nakuha ni number 6 ang bola. Yun, naipasa kay number 18, Barquez. Dribble the ball, umigot, jump shot. Number foul. Number 26, Padilla. Third personal foul, first team foul. Foul.
Okay, sa championship daw po, lahat daw po naka-black shoes. With heels? Ano? Black shoes daw, tapos green sock, tapos red.
1 point sa tirang Paltrow. Plus 1 shot to Paltrow. No good. Rebound by number 6, Martinez. Martinez pass to number 23, Jalur. Jalur sumalaksak. Inangat. Nakakuha ng foul. Oh. What happened? Number 7, yes. Third personal foul, first team foul. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Okay, tagal. Up. No good. Last 1 shot. Si Paltrow. One point.
Hey,
Number 2, Bayot. Pinasa kay number 7, Padilla. Pass to number 23, Baranda. Baranda, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18, Marquez. Jump shot. Nakuha ni number 17 ang bola. Tome. Binaba na ang bola. Tome. Binigay kay number 26, Padilla. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound, number 2. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 21, Tiama. Oh, gusto na kuha ni number 26 ang bola, Padilla. Pass to number 17, Tome. Binalik ulit kay Padilla. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni Tome ang bola. Ipinasa, outside. Keeper wrong, team ball. Number 17, Pavilion. Pass to number 2. Back to number 7, Pavilion. Pinasa kay number 8. Pinigay kay number 21. Yama for 2. Inbound, number 25. Pass to number 17. Number 17, going down. Tome. Pinigay kay number 6, Martinez. Martinez. Sumalaksak, tinira, no good. Rebound by number 6, 23, Baranda. Baranda, pinasa kay number 18, Marquez, binigay kay Bayot. 30 points. Okay, inbound. Number 2, pass to number 15. Number 15, binababa ng bola. Number 15, banta. Give the ball. Pass to number 2, magpili. Binilikan ng banta ang bola. Banta. Nilapit pero pinasa kay number 17, pass to number 26, Padilla. Padilla, jump shot. 13 points. Inbound. Number 21, pass to number 7, Padillo. Padillo, dribble. Pass to number 7. Oh, he's still by number 26, Padilla. Pass to number. He's still by number 23, Baranda. Baranda, di ba ng bola? Sulak sa pero pinasa kay number 18, Marquez. Marquez, binigay kay number 23, Baranda. Gawa ka ng bola. Pass to number 26, Gigros, step shot, 2. Inbound, number 25, pass to number 17, Kame. Pass to number 15, Banta. Binabaw ng bola. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Ibinigay kay number 17 ng bola. Tome. Pass to number 2. Take shot. Tingnan sa kay number 17. Pass to number 25. Jump shot. For 2 points. Solution. Rep. Okay. Inbound number 8. Pass to number 7, Pabillo. Pabillo. Binaba na ang bola. Pinasa kay number 21, Tiama. Tiama. Oh, nakakuha ng foul. Number 26, Padilla. Number 26, Padilla.
Siya ba ang captain ba?
Submission, Rod. Padilla running to graduate. Second team foul. Inbound, number 26, Dick Ruiz. Pass to number 7. Number 7, Padilla. Pass to number 21. Binigay kay number 18, Marquez. Binigay kay number 8, Blackburn. Number 25. Nahamol ba? No good. Same ball. Inbound, number 18, 6 to shoot. Substitution, Rod. 6 to shoot. Number 18. Pass to number 8. Still. Only number 6 ang bola. Pass to number 2. Binigay niya number 15. Banta. Banta. Nakuha niya pa rin ang bola. Pinasa ng number 2. Jump shot. 14 points. Remaining time is 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Sarah Tiburonte. Okay, back to the ball game. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Inbound. Well. Number 7, pass to number 23. Back to number 7, Pabillo. Pabillo, pinaba ng bola. Ibinasa kay number 18, Marquez. Jump shot. No good. Nakuli number 2 ang bola. Number 2, magpili. Pass to number 17, Tume. Tume, tinira. No good. Rebound by number 22. Number 23, Baranda. 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 Pass to number 2, Bayot. Bayot, give the ball. Pinasa kay number 6. Pass to number 23 again. Back to number 7. Number 7 sa malaksak. Still by number 6. Pass break to number 2. Magpili. For 2 points. Inbound number 23. Pass to number 7. Pavilion. Pass to number 18. Marquez. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Take shot. Take pass. Inagat. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul? Number 6. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Who sheds the foul throw? 1 point. Last one shot to Paltrow. One point again. Inbound, number 25, pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, pinababa ng bola. Ipinasa kay number 15, Banta. Bata, pass to number 6, Martinez. Pass to number 2, time to shoot. Martinez, 7 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Come back. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 25, back by number 6. Number 6, pinababa ng bola. Ipinasa kay number 2, Payot. Pass to number, he's still by number 17. Come on, pass to number 2. Jump shot, 2-2. Rebound number 2, pass to number 23. Number 23 going down. Number 23, pass to number 18, Marquez. Oh, to robbery violation. Inbound, number 25, pass to number 6. Number 6, pinababa ng bola. Martinez, dribble the ball. Martinez. Turn to shoot. 6 to shoot. Banta. 2 to shoot. Martinez, no good. Ang tirang spot, Banta, black. Nakuha ni number 21 ang bola, Tiama. Tiama, dribble the ball. Dribble ang bola. Ipinasa kay Bayot, number 2. Number 2, pass to number 23. Number 23, pass to number 21, Tiama. Bayas. Oh, he's still by number 15. Nakuha ni number 25, pass to number 17. Tonek! 14! Timeout! Tibo! Lagi mo tatandaan, ang buhay ay weather lang. Ako po si Kuya Kimpoy. Okay, inbound number 7, pass to number 23, back to number 7. Pavillo. Pavillo. Pass to number 23, Baranda. Baranda dribble the ball. Back to number 7. Number 7, back to number 23. Number 23, time to shoot. 8 to shoot. Jump shot in number 26. No good. Rebound by number 25, pass to number 6. Martinez, pass to number 15, Banta. Banta. Sinalaksap. Diniretso na, no good. Rebound by number 7. Oh! Nakakuha ng foul. Number 15, Banta. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty. Inbound, number 7, pass to number 23. Baranda going down. Number 23, dribble the ball. Ipinasa, is still there, number 15, pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, binaba ng bola. Pinasa kay number 2, magpili, dinila, 2-2. Pass by the number 23, kay number 21, oh! Outside. 0-7 ball. Remaining time was 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 53-59 in favor of CY17. Substitution, Rob. Inbound. Number 15. Excuse me, po. Pass to number 6, Martinez. To shoot. 5 to shoot. Banta. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 6 ng Tiburon team. Stole by number 2. Pass to number 17. Stole by number 2. Pass by to number 21. Tiawa. For 2. Inbound number 17. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. Banta. Pass to number 6, Martinez. Martinez, turn to shoot. Sumalaksak. Ipinasa kay Banta outside. Tiburon, Timbo. Inbound. Number 7, Pabillo. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Bayot. Pinabayang mo, pero pinasa kay number 7, Pabillo, pass to number 21, Tiama, sumalaksak. Inamat. Nakuha ni na Martinez ang bola, pass to number 15, Banta, pass by to number 2, Martinez, for 2. Oh! Oh, yeah. Huwag po natin harangan para makakuha po ng hangin. Oh, hangin, mapayapang. Okay, substitution. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 23 seconds. Score 55-61 in favor of CY7 team. Ah, yeah. Lagi mo tatandaan na ang buhay ay weather lang. Ako po si King. Matang lawit. Alam mo ba ang ibig sabihin ng pagmamahal? Okay, back to the ball game. Okay mga kids, sabay-sabay natin batiin si Kuya na. Si Kuya na may birthday. Happy birthday. Happy viewing sa'yo. May birthday ka ngayon. Sige. Inbound, number 26, pass number 7, Pabillo. Pabillo. Naghanap na pamasahan, nakita si Bayot. Bayot. Dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 6, Martinez. Martinez, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 6, Martinez. Last 1 minute. 1 minute. No good. Rebound by number 7, Pabillo. Pass to number 2, Bayot. Pass to number 6, Jerus. Sinalasan. Nina. Foul counted. Who's foul rep? Number 2. Third personal foul. Penalty. Pagising sa umaga. One shot. One shot to the face to close. An opportunity once in a lifetime. One shot. No good. Si Pantama naman ito. Number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball, pass to number 6. Martinez back to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. And to shoot. 3 to shoot. Padilla jump shot. No good. Remaining time is 25 seconds. Number 2, Bayot. Pinabahan ang bola ni number 7, Padilla. Pass to number 2. Jump shot. No good. When number 25, pass to number 6, Martinez. Jump shot. No good.